Prince Harry fights back tears as he recounts the suffering his wife, Meghan Markle, has endured due to relentless media harassment. Today, in court, the royal exposed the shocking effects of constant press, intrusion on his life and his family's well-being. Stay with us as we break down these dramatic moments from today's testimony. Before moving forward, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for daily updates. Prince Harry took the stand in the High Court today, visibly emotional as he detailed the horrific toll that media intrusion has taken on him and his wife, Meghan Markle. This legal battle, a privacy claim against the publishers of the Daily Mail and the Mail on Sunday, has seen Harry's raw emotions pour out as he recounts the years of relentless harassment from the press. While we can't show you the live proceedings, we've recreated the key moments with a Prince Harry lookalike to give you a real sense of what happened in that courtroom. The hearing kicked off with an awkward exchange. "How would you like to be addressed, Your Royal Highness?" asked the judge. "Same as last time," replied Harry, adding, "I cannot remember," when prompted further. It was a rocky start, highlighting Harry's discomfort in the courtroom, but it was just the beginning of a turbulent day. Harry then faced questioning about whether his friends had been leaking stories to the press. This, he insisted, was not the case. "My social circles were not leaky," Harry emphasized. "If I suspected someone, I would have severed ties immediately." But the defense raised doubts about whether Harry was being naive about the situation, suggesting that he may have had friends in his circle who were exploiting his name for personal gain. The courtroom buzzed as the audience processed the possibility that Harry's closest confidants might have been using him to sell stories to the press. The focus soon shifted to the toll that constant media attention has taken on Harry's life. "You might think that, if someone was dating me, they'd expect to be photographed, coming out of a restaurant or a concert," Harry shared, his voice filled with frustration. "But this is not just simple attention, it's harassment." He described how every moment of his life seemed under constant surveillance, whether he was traveling by car, boarding a plane, or simply going about his day. "I was followed everywhere, 24/7," he admitted. His recounting of these experiences was haunting, as he explained how he could never truly relax, knowing that the press was always a step ahead. "Even when we were abroad, the media knew where we were going before we even arrived," he explained. "We could never rely on local police for assistance, because the press often beat us to the location. The situation was a constant security risk, especially when we were overseas." Harry's distress became more evident as he spoke about the toll it has taken on Meghan. The media's mistreatment of his wife has only worsened over time since this legal battle began. "It's only gotten worse," Harry confessed. "We didn't ask for this. All we wanted was an apology and some accountability for what we've endured. They've made my wife's life miserable, and it's been unbearable." This emotional outpouring was followed by an exchange with the defense, where Prince Harry was confronted with the reality that the press had been a constant part of his life from an early age. The defense argued that he knew the risks of public life when he chose to remain a member of the royal family. "Part of the deal with being royal is the media spotlight," one panelist remarked. "It's a trade-off. Privacy for fame and fortune." But Harry remained steadfast. He insisted that it wasn't just about fame. It was about the toll the media had taken on his mental health and well-being. "It's wrong," he stated. "My wife and I didn't choose this level of harassment." The courtroom drama escalated as the defense tried to downplay the severity of Harry's claims. "It's all part of being in the public eye," they argued, suggesting that the royal family had to accept the scrutiny that came with their status. But Harry's testimony painted a different picture, a life filled with emotional pain, constant fear, and anxiety. Before we continue, a quick word from our sponsor, ExpressVPN. In today's digital world, your privacy is more important than ever, especially when high-profile cases like this unfold. With hackers targeting personal information, ExpressVPN ensures your data stays secure. You can save up to 80% with this exclusive offer. Check out the link in the description to protect your online activity. Today, and back to the courtroom. As the trial went on, the panelists were split on how to feel about Harry's claim for privacy. One commentator argued that Harry had every right to seek justice. "He's been wronged, and he's using his platform to hold those responsible accountable," they said. but others were less sympathetic, suggesting that Harry had knowingly embraced the media spotlight. If you don't want the attention, you leave, they pointed out. You don't continue to live the life of a celebrity if you want privacy. This debate over the media's role in public life raised critical questions. Is it fair for the press to invade the privacy of someone in the public eye? Or does public interest justify the press behavior? As the case unfolds, these questions will continue to dominate the conversation. As Harry's case continues, the key issue will be whether the media crossed a line with their reporting, or if the royal family's status and lifestyle invite the scrutiny they face. One thing is clear. This trial is far from over, and its impact on press freedom could be profound. So, what do you think? Does Harry have a legitimate claim to privacy, or is this all just a part of being in the royal spotlight? Let us know in the comments. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Starlight Stories, and share your thoughts with us.